Hi, my name is Kat, and today you have no idea how excited I am for this video. It's my full face using $1 stuff, and I'm just gonna get it out there real quick. All this stuff basically I bought from Shop Miss A, the website shopmissa.com, because I wanted to get some stuff from there, and I was like, I can do this $1 full face challenge. And I actually used a few of the products to do my makeup that I'm wearing now, but I haven't done the challenge yet. So just to throw this out there, I'm wearing the Clean Color Stick Blush, the 2-in-1 or Duo Ability Color Stick, that's what they call it. And this one is number 4 Rouge, even though it's peach. And then my lips are the Sugar liquid lipstick from, what is it called? AOA Studio. So it's like the Shop Miss A brand, and I'm actually super impressed with this. I think it's like stunning. And my highlight, if you're wondering, I have some of the Makeup Revolution Goddess of Faith highlighter, the one in the heart box. So that's everything I have to say for the intro, and I'll see you in a second with nothing on my face. The very first thing I'm gonna do is use this Beauty Treats Lip Care, Hydrating Lip Care, and this one's the avocado one. When I made my order, all the ones were sold out. All of these besides avocado, and then I actually looked at the site today and avocado was sold out and they had all of the other ones. So hopefully when I make my next order they have the other ones in stock, because I really like this. But anyway, the next thing I'm gonna do is use this AOA Wonder Skin Mattifying Primer. And it says that it works with all foundations, so I'm really interested in this. I feel like from what I just tried, oh, it smells kind of good. From what I've tried already, I feel like I really, so far, trust AOA as a brand. This one is 1. What? And then this one is 4. And oh my gosh, look what I got. Completely for fun, I got this silicone blender. You can see this one. It's kind of teardrop shaped and it has glitter in it. And this is the AOA brand also. I'm gonna have to try this with a foundation that I know and like. I know I just tried it for like 7 seconds, but yeah. Okay, so these foundation sticks are blending away to nothing. This is the again AOA, what is this called? Wonder Blender. I mean, I don't think my skin necessarily looks bad right now, it's just you can't see anything. Okay, so I guess I will put on some of this Santee foundation. This little mirror, isn't that cute? So with all that foundation, I still have no coverage over like my acne that's down here. I should have gotten like a concealer stick that's like my skin tone, because I just got like wand concealers for like under my eyes, and I should have known that the foundation wouldn't have enough coverage to make me happy, because I usually don't spot conceal because I use fuller coverage foundation. So I think it's blended out. I'm going to conceal. I have these AOA concealers. I have Porcelain and Light Ivory. I wasn't really sure which shade to go with, especially because I'm kind of tan right now. All of the foundations that I looked at, a bunch of the shades were sold out. Same with powders. It was so hard to find a powder. So this is the Porcelain one. And then I guess I'll also put on some of the Light Ivory, because this is pretty darn light. Oh, then I get Light Ivory. And they, oh, dark. I guess I will use this for spot concealing. Oh, and then I also got their 10-piece brush set, which is just the kabuki brushes. Oh, that does not want to blend. Yikes, this is not very blendable. I don't know, is it the sponge or the concealer? I think it's the concealer. A little orange stripe concealer. No. It's like super duper thick, and it seems like it would be high coverage, but then when it doesn't blend, I don't know. That's me crying. Have you ever seen someone do makeup to try and look plastic? Like literally plastic? That's how I feel like my under eyes look. I should not have done that second layer. That was stupid. So I guess it does have coverage. It's just super thick and weird to work with. This is the Cleanista pressed powder, and this one is 7002 beige. And they were so generous to include this sponge, but I'm going to use the F12 from AOA. Oh, that definitely darkened up my concealer. So I'm going to fill in my brows with the Clean Color Brows Essential. That's what it says on it, and this one is ash brown. And here's what it looks like. The packaging is obviously extremely cheap, but $1 is extremely cheap. And it actually came with a little brush, but I tossed it because it was horrible. Okay, now that I'm looking at my skin, it looks really bad. I want to give everything a completely fair chance, but I did know that the complexion products would not be a slam dunk. Like, I just kind of knew. I was like, maybe one of the things will be a kind of diamond in the rough, but nah, I didn't get my hopes up with the any of that. But I think this brow powder, there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. I'm happy to have this because I know that I always use my BH Cosmetics brow powders, and so now I have something to throw into the mix. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my Clean Color Framus. That's so hard for me to say. Framus Lash and Brow Clear Lash and Brow Mascara. All of those words. This is what it looks like. And here I go. I guess I should do eyes. I got this LA Colors quad in mattifying. So I have the AOA Studio E112, and I'm gonna pick up this shade right here. Put that in my crease. I'm impressed by this brush. I thought that it would be very like flimsy. When I looked at it, I thought it looked kind of like the e.l.f. $1 brushes, but it does not feel like that. It's a lot more stiff, and not necessarily in a bad way, but just it'll give you a more precise application than like the e.l.f. crease brush or blending brush. I don't know which one's which, just whichever one's bigger. So since I don't have a little crease brush, I'm going to use this E115 and the darkest shade in there. Last thing for the eyeshadow, I'm going to take this LA Colors Shimmering Loose Eyeshadow with brush. I should have gotten one of these for my highlight. Okay, what do I do? Oh. Okay. So it's like, I expect you to use this brush. Would you want to use that brush? Let's see if I can. Oh yeah, totally. Some of it came out. I know that LA Colors is sold in like dollar stores, and I've actually seen displays in my Big Lots, so if they have this, maybe give it a shot. I think I'm actually going to take this brush and run this along my lower lash line because I know that's looking messed up. So I'm actually going to take some of my dark brown from my quad. Now I'm going to pop on some blush. I'm going to use my powder brush because I don't have something else to use. I actually should have thought this through a little bit because I don't have brushes to put on a lot of my stuff. Okay, so for my blush, I have this Prisma blush, Honey Pink. That's what it looks like. And now I'm going to do some bronzer. This is the Santee bronzer. Pro Bronze, bronzer and contour. It says bronzer on it. Oh gosh. It's very red, very orange. Oh no. So now that my bronzer's on, I'm going to try and contour with, I guess, one of those kabuki brushes. This is the Amuse DIY Contour Trio, which is cute. I'm going to start out with this little flat top brush. This is the E101. And I'm going to actually buff this under my eyes a little. See if that does anything good for me. And then I'm going to take the E103 and use this, maybe a mixture of these two. Never used a brush this small to contour my face. You know what? I'll contour my nose with this. I got this precious little eyeliner. This is the Pixie Jar from Clean Color, and it's a 2-in-1, so I'm going to use the pencil. I'm not going to do the liquid because after all we've been through, I'm not going to try that right now. Oh, grrr. I feel so weird without a highlight. I'm gonna curl my lashes, and this is the only thing I'm gonna use in this video that wasn't $1. It's from BH Cosmetics. And then I'm gonna use this Clean Color Famous Lash Avocado Seed Oil Mascara. And I actually had this on earlier. It smells weird. I like the idea of it being an avocado seed oil mascara, and I feel like it actually looks good. It's just, it was really hard for me to take off actually, and it smudged up here on me. Look at those lashes, huh? Pretty darn good. Lips, and I think that's everything that I have to do. So I'm gonna blot off my lip care. They don't call it lip balm, it's lip care. I checked. I got Tease, and you can see that they don't really match. This is the liquid lipstick and this is the lip liner right there. And so you can definitely see the liquid lipstick is stunning. It's like a really cool dusty mauve, and then the lip liner is pink. So I'm gonna use them together anyway. And I have to say, the liquid lipsticks smell like kid makeup. But other than that, I think that this formula is actually really, really good and impressive. Okay, so final thoughts. The complexion products are obviously a no, a big no. I feel like everything that I put on top of the foundation does not have, you know, a fair shot, you know? I know that I'll probably have challenge in the title of this video, and people are doing like the dollar store makeup challenge and stuff, but like, I don't think there's any reason why a lip liner shouldn't be great for $1, you know, good, great. Like the Wet n Wild lip liners are some of my favorites. It's just a lip liner. It doesn't have to, you know, do anything miraculous. So there is some other stuff on the site that I do want to try, and I will. So expect another haul from me from them, and expect to see some of this stuff in future videos because I'm not mad at it, alright? So I have nothing else to say. I hope this video was fun, and if you liked it, let me know. And thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Instantly I was like, never mind. I like this. I don't like this. I feel like the okay, so anyway. Alright, so I think that's everything that I have to no, it's not. It's not everything I have to say. Wow. I don't know. So to actually wrap it up, I can't with that. No. I said no. I'm really happy. Hello?